Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Mathematical operator in a formula. You can use mathematical operators in your formulas: greater than, multiply, divide, add, subtract. We've got multiply and divide examples here. Try and add and subtract with these examples on your own. Here we have sequence. You remember what sequence is? One row, 6 columns. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the way it works, here's an example. This is how Excel is going to look at this. It's going to look at this constant, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This array constant times 2. It's 2 times 1 for January, 2 times 2 for February, 2 times 3 for March. You can divide. You can use the sequence, and the way it works, it would be the same way. 1 divided by 2 is equal 1/2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Here's the formula: sequence, rows, columns. Because we close this off, this function stops as soon as we add an operand. Here's another example. When we build this, you have to include the curly bracket. Otherwise, it won't work. Why? Watch. Get rid of the brackets, and Excel is going to throw an error. We found a typo. It doesn't know what's going on. If you put the curly brackets, Excel will read it as an array. Put your curly bracket and go. You can't use Control-Shift-Enter here. If you go down to this third example, and this is pre-2018, how would this work? Well, you build the formula, and then you hit Control-Shift-Enter. You can't change any part of an array. This is designed as old school method. It's F2, grab the formula, Control, copy, escape, copy it anywhere you want, Control V. This area is formatted so we can still do the old school method. Here it's the dynamic. What we want to do is cancel this. So we have to highlight the entire range and hit delete. We can just grab this formula. I want to test something here. Copy, paste, and that worked well. This is formatted in a manner where it's not spilling over and it's not doing a dynamic calculation. That's perfect because that's what we need. Remember, this is old school. You have to hit Control-Shift-Enter, Control-CTR plus Shift plus Enter. You don't have to enter the plus sign, all right? If you're going, well, how do I hit the Control and then the plus? That just means it's a break. That means you hit Control, then you hit Shift, then you hit Enter. Just for clarification, because you may go on Control plus Shift. You don't need to do it. Just hit Control-Shift-Enter. You remember, if we want to fill this range across, we need to highlight the range. We have to hit F2. That puts us in the edit mode. And then hit Control-Shift-Enter, and it fills the range.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.